बारिश हो रही है वहाँ। यहाँ तो ओले पड़ रहे हैं, रास्ते से वापस जाना पड़ेगा। अगर जा रहा था काली माता मंदिर, वापस जाना पड़ेगा रास्ते में। बहुत तेज़ ओले पड़ रहे हैं। अभी तो रुक गया हूँ यहाँ चाय की दुकान पे, वीटा बूथ पे। वापस जा रहा हूँ। You might have seen a lot of thunderstorms and hailstorms. When I had halted for a few minutes for consuming tea, then I decided to return back when the rain started to calm down a little. On the way, I witnessed a lot of tree branches scattered everywhere. The road was very wet, so today I couldn't visit Kali Mata's temple. All of the temples have been covered during coronavirus lockdown and afterwards on my bicycle. Also Summit 29 inches was also purchased for that purpose, but its hub has not been replaced till now because it is not easily available. In all probable if COVID-19 reoccurs in the future, as you might have seen, there are thousands of cases in Singapore and Hong Kong, and the pandemic may spread to other countries because airline passengers used to spread the contamination from faraway continents very rapidly, and till the health organizations become active, most of the countries have already witnessed the spread of that virus known as Omicron or JN.1, which came into existence in 2023 during the end of the epidemic. But till now, World Health Organization has not declared more than the virus of interest only, because till that virus will become really significant, which can be monitored by every country, or till they are forced to act in such restricted way by banning airlines, train travel, bus travel, ships. They don't recognize anything so severe, because all the episodes and series of my coronavirus didn't spread any kind of mass hysteria or panic. And the people should become accustomed of these kind of viruses, because they were existing earlier only, and the name of COVID becomes so thrilling that people become more and more aware and started taking all the preventive measures like 3M mask, isopropyl alcohol containing more than 60 or 70% concentration. And obviously there are two kinds of good sanitizers, but greedy and opportunists started developing different kind of ingredients, and some of them are really harmful for the skin also. And we should be very careful in selecting good sanitizers and masks. I am not promoting AM company, I don't have any relationship with that also. You can buy other companies' mask also, but there is no hurry also. You can wait for about 4 or 5 days till the spread becomes so significant that worldometers and statistics companies started providing you all the details again as usual.